told you, knee deep. And my jacket's soaking wet. Fuck that. That's a chainsaw. Nope. See, I told you, this is what's gonna get me killed. This is what's gonna get me killed. There's a fucking chainsaw massacre over there. Horror movie reference. And I'm gonna die if I don't turn my happy ass right back around. You see, this is what I get for following a lamb. Shit. See, because my boots are wet, I've got no fucking traction. Okay. Oh, fuck no. Yeah, I'm gonna die. This is where I die. I am fucked. I am fucked with a fucking... Oh. If you have a will, there's a fucking way. Screw that. And now I've got hypothermia in my feet. Nope, fuck that. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope, 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 nope. Hell to the no. No, no. No, 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 no. No. No, no. Did I mention no? Stream's over there. I'm going around this huge ass thorn bush. Because fuck that. Fuck that times a billion. Well, now I know who's been hunting, eh? Huh, what's that? I see a thing. It's a gas canister for burning bodies. That's ominous. Yep, nope. I'm so scared I'm numb right now. I mean, in situations like these, don't fucking panic. Unless they're, like, right behind you, then fucking panic. That's no bueno. And I'm gonna get my happy ass killed. Y'all won't know what happened until y'all find my phone. And then if you're like, oh shit, oh look, the construction site. I think. No, is that just the neighborhood? How? Because the neighborhood's supposed to be way over there. There's no way that's the neighborhood. Oh my god, I'm at the neighborhood. Fuck yes. Not gonna die today, fuckers. Ha 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 ha. I hope this is my neighborhood. Stream's over there. Tis not my neighborhood. Are you fucking serious? See, now there's movement the way I've got to go. Plus the chainsaw. So I'm fucked. Yeah. This is where I die. I'm going to fucking die. And it's because I decided to explore the woods on the wrong day at the wrong time. Motherfuck. Stream's right there. Imagine if this shit's private property and my dumbass doesn't know. I know there's a log cabin of some sort over there. You guys probably can't tell, but I can tell where I'm going. Mer. I swear to fucking God, that's coming closer to me. I'm gonna die. This is where I die. At least I die where I want to die. Meh. Meh. Yeah, there's a stream. And away I go. My tits are caught. Ow. See, this is why you have to have high thorn tolerance when in the woods. Because these motherfuckers are everywhere. Same thing with ticks. Ticks are currently everywhere. Ow. I just got stabbed in the rib. Not by a mass murderer, though. That's a good thing. Okay, see? Here's the stream. And there's where I came in. To this spot right here. So, now I know there's a neighborhood over there, and my neighborhood's much further that way. So let's fucking go. Because I don't feel like dying today. In fact, I don't feel like dying anytime soon. You see these thorns, man? They'll get you out of nowhere. Motherfucker. That got me deep. Ow. Okay. We know where we are. I need to head that way. So, away we go. Lord have mercy on my very soaking wet trek back to home. Yeah, okay. So, note to self, don't follow the sound of sheep and lambs in the woods unless you want to get murdered by a fucking chainsaw masochist. No, nobody. Okay, I'll just laugh at my own sad jokes. Yeah, fuck that times 2. Times infinity even. Tree cancer. Here I am, once again, at a dead end. No, I'm not. I've been here. Noises. Okay, so scanning over there, I'm thinking the best course of action is to go through here. Fucking construction site, man. Giving me a diddly damn heart attack for the 50,000th time. Okay, look around, find a better place. You see, kids, this is where you learn from my dumbass mistakes. But at least I have pepper spray and a sharp-ass pocket knife. That doesn't mean everything's okay, though. As my mom says, they can use that stuff against you if you give them the chance. So, moral of the story, don't go towards animal sounds in the woods unless you know who owns the animals, you know where you are, where you came from, and even, fuck, where you need to go. thorns. Fuck it. Bitch, the fuck? Oh, just a car. Okay. So, stream's right there. As long as I keep my bearing where the stream is, I should be okay. Either way, I can hear the construction site. So I'll know where to go anyway. You know, this is supposed to be nice and relaxing. That is also a tire. And now, I'm stressed off my ass, and I probably have like 50,000 ticks on me, which is 10 out of 10. Would come back to these woods again. Just maybe not this way. Just a little suggestion towards myself in the future. Do not go south, you dumb fuck. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I recognize the spot. This is where the deer station was. The broken deer station. Yeah, see? Right there. Yeah. You see, in the woods, you gotta be able to hear shit. Like, you gotta be real quiet. Unless, you know, you're 6 feet away from a chainsaw, then you're most definitely gonna hear that, and you're gonna be like, oh, fuck, I'm gonna die today. Learn from my mistakes, please. Ah. See? There's the deer station thing. Deer hunting station. Yeah, I'm legit just gonna cross and come up here. Cause no. 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 Okay. Didn't expect that to happen. Time to scare the shit out of the construction workers, eh?